Alright, so this is Daryl Ross. So we got this, we did Daryl a 16.8 kilowatt system. We installed this, what, 4 weeks ago, 5 weeks ago, was when he actually had his meter swapped out. So the first bill, it was only was only for like 12 days of actually the system running, and his bill was already in half.
Bill was in half.
In half. So next month, we know for a fact, obviously looking at the meter spinning backwards and looking at the readings of what the system's produced, we know for a fact that he's going to have no power bill, okay? He's also going to receive his 30% tax credit, which will put his break-even point at about 6.8 years on something that's guaranteed for 25 years. So what a great investment. I mean, thinking about the bill in 7 years' time as well with the hikes in electric, of how much his power bill would have been in 7 years, he will now have no power bill, and he'll be saving thousands and thousands of dollars a year.
I'm on a fixed income.
Exactly.
I'm on a fixed income.
So this is just going to be permanently generating money for you. It's going to be, your system is going to be printing money.
Yes.
That's exactly what it's going to be doing.
We don't know what Duke is going to be doing in the next 5
Exactly.
years.
You don't know what your power bill is going to be. Another good thing is in 7 years, you'll be retired, you can be chilling out, and instead of throwing your money at the power company, okay, you're not going to have any power bill. You're just going to be earning money off the system.
Yep.
Is this the best investment you've ever made?
Yes, it has been.
Excellent,
excellent.
excellent.
Best investment.
Has to be. So you've been a great client anyway.
Thank you.
Again,
Thank
I'm glad you. Would you recommend Solar Tech Elec?
Oh my gosh, anybody.
You got to let it